Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I take a quick look at and walk around this 1961 VW Mango bus. I just acquired this bus and it's going to take a lot of work to get it back to roadworthy condition. I mean a lot of work. If you can see, it's going to need pretty much 6 to 12 inches all the way around the bus, some frame repair in some sections. A lot of work. It's going to take a lot. But I'm not really worried about the challenge. I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm going to learn a lot and it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm just really excited to see this thing running down the road. This is not going to be a restoration. I just want this bus to run on its own power without the risk of it falling apart. Quick look inside. The roof has a lot of surface rust, but nothing real serious. A couple areas that need repair up front, but not too bad. I just love the color and character on this bus. But as you can see, it needs a lot. So like seat support area, bulkhead, B-pillar, C-pillar. Gotta do some work up front on the air dam, the vents up front, little roof section you see there, but not too bad overall, at least I think. Like I said, it needs a lot of work, but I'm not so much worried about it. If you have any negative comments, keep them to yourself. Unless you're going to come down and help me do the work, then feel free to chime away. The doors do open, however, I just have everything shut right now because, like I said, it needs lower A, B-pillar pretty high up, and C-pillar is not attached to anything, so I don't really want to go yanking on the doors. I'm sure you understand. So you can see inner dog legs, outer dog legs, lower A, seat support area, cargo floors, bulkhead, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'm gonna need to pretty much take the bus apart and put it back together, but I'm not worried about it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So there's some frame that we need to do. So here we are going through the cargo floor into the cargo area. So it's gonna need rockers both sides, top hats, outriggers, cargo floor, blah, 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 all that good stuff. And yeah, it's a rusty bus, but I know out there on YouTube there are a couple rustier, maybe, buses being put back together, and I feel like this is a perfect candidate. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I ask you to go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, keep your negative comments to yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.